Hi, my name is Rosie Gill and I'm the Director of Education at Milk Street, and this is Milk Street at Home. I want to show you how to properly zest citrus for cookies and cakes. I don't know about you, but for too long, it was sort of a forehead smacking moment when I realized it. I was zesting my citrus onto my cutting board. Why is this a problem? Because it's the oils that carry the flavor that we are going to use to infuse our cookie dough or our cake batter with orange, lime, or lemon flavor. When you zest onto a cutting surface, the oils stay there and you put many fewer of them into your cake. That doesn't make much sense. So there are two ways that you can avoid that and actually get all of the flavor into your dessert and not leave it in the kitchen. If you're a little more nonchalant, like I am, you'll zest directly into the mixing bowl and eyeball the quantity. If you would like to measure the quantity, zest onto parchment paper. Parchment won't cling to the oil the way that a cutting board will, and so when you measure it into your spoon, you are likely to get much more of the flavor into your dessert. So remember, the oils are what have the flavor. So you need to use the right technique to get the oil in the mixing bowl and not on your cutting board.